This application is a powerful tool designed for Android devices, specifically for enhancing and editing photos using presets and filters. It allows users to apply various artistic styles to their images quickly and easily, transforming ordinary photos into stunning visuals. The app provides a wide range of presets, enabling users to achieve professional-looking results with just a single tap. One of its key features is the ability to customize filters, allowing users to adjust settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, and more to suit their specific preferences. This flexibility ensures that each photo can be tailored to match the user's unique style or the mood they want to convey. Additionally, the app often includes batch editing capabilities, enabling users to apply the same presets to multiple images at once, saving time and effort when editing large collections of photos. The user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced photographers, providing a seamless editing experience. With regular updates that introduce new presets and filters, it keeps users inspired and encourages them to experiment with their creativity. Overall, it is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their photo editing game and achieve beautiful results on their Android devices.